Hey guys, let's make cassava fufu from scratch. Yes, akpu. So for some time now, I've been craving for a real akpu, that is cassava fufu. But it's hard to get in this country. So I had to go to the store and I bought this cassava. Like I saw cassava, I was like, wow. It's also called yuca here. So I bought some and here I am peeling it and about to process it to get some apple from it. So I just finished peeling it and I'm gonna cut it into smaller size so that you'll be able to um I'll be able to blend it in my blender. So after that, I gave it a thorough wash. That's what I'm doing here. So after washing it, I'm going to put it in a pot. You can use any container to soak yours. I'm using pot here. Yeah, that's what I can find. So I put it in a pot, pour a clean water, and then I covered it with a plastic wrap first before placing the lid on top. So I'm going to keep this in a warm environment for at least 48 hours. Yeah. So this is the next 48 hours. After 48 hours, this is how it looks. It's starting to ferment. As you can see, some foam on top, but it has not really fermented. Yeah, if you want it to ferment fully, you will have to soak it for up to 7 days. Yeah, that is what I noticed for the cassava I got here in this country. If it's back home, 3 to 4 days is enough for this thing to ferment and get soft, but here no. So next I had to wash it again, like rinse it thoroughly, and then put it in my blender, add a little water, like about a cup of water, I mean American cup of water. Then I blend it till smooth. Yeah, I used Ninja blender to blend mine. So I'm done blending it here, as you can see. So we'll be moving to the next step, which is iyabu, like to sieve it. So here I am sieving it. Just add some water in a bowl, add the cassava in a sieve or colander, whatever you guys call it. Then after that, look at the chaff we got out of the apple, out of the cassava. So here, this is the cassava sitting in the bowl, but there's excess water. I'm gonna leave it for the next 24 hours. Like I leave it overnight for it to settle. I want all my apple to settle, so I covered it with my chopping board and let it rest. So this is the next day. In fact, it's over 24 hours here in the evening. So now I am trying to take out the excess water. Can you see? That's the excess water on top of the cassava, the top of the apple. The main apple is down there. So after that, I'm going to be putting it in my cheesecloth or whatever you call it, but it's called akpu. Yeah. So I pour the cassava into my into cheesecloth, and then I will be squeezing it. Yeah, see, that's what I'm doing here. I'm gonna squeeze it. I'm gonna try to squeeze out the excess water, but everything is not gonna come out by me squeezing it like this. I don't have the energy to do that. So I'm gonna squeeze out a little excess water and then tie the bag very well properly, and then leave it to gradually drip out the rest of the water in it. Okay, so yes, I'm tying my akpa. This one is akwa because it's not really bag. But that's what I am using, for this. That's what I can get my hands on here until I get the real one. So here I place it on top of I placed it on top of my chopping board, and I placed another chopping board on top of it, and then put my kettlebell. Yeah, just get something that is very heavy. You need something heavy to keep on top to help press out the water. So the next day, this is what we got. You can see the water is up. I had to pack some to put to save in my freezer. Those are what I got to save in the freezer, and I am making a batch now that I can't wait to swallow with my ofe oha. Yes, I'm preparing ofe oha as well, so I'm gonna be downloading it with the ofe oha. Yeah, you can eat it with any soup of your choice, but I love to eat it with oha soup and the bitter leaf soup. Yeah, so I have the video on how to make this cassava, I mean the fufu. Okay, so you can watch it later. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye.